in India, there are many proponents of organic farming, particularly in
Yes.
states like Punjab, Haryana, or all states affected by green revolution. Scientists are proposing organic farming, at least most of the places. But still, it is not being taken up by the farmers. Okay. Now, if you become district collector of a particular village, particular district in Punjab or Haryana,
Yes.
as district collector, if you want to promote organic farming in the district, tell me 3 or 4 major steps you would do, but your steps should be such a way that they have to convince the farmers. You should be practical in your approach. Tell me what you can do.
Yes. So firstly, I think I'll have clear communication with farmers, because there are many prejudices as well as many hesitations that are there from the farmers if they have to switch from chemical farming to organic farming. So I'll try to have clear communication with farmers by engaging with experts and tell to them the benefits of the organic farming, and also tell to them the realities that initially maybe the yields may be low, but in the long run, how it will benefit them. And I'll also try to engage with experts and demonstrate to them some of the successful organic farming initiatives that have been taken across the world, so that there is no information asymmetry or information gaps with farmers. And apart from that, sir, secondly, I believe it is extremely important to ensure that there is adequate input facilities that are available to them. So I'll make them aware of the various initiatives that are being brought out by the government in the organic farming sector, and I'll try to enroll them into these schemes so that they can benefit on the input front also, and they will have access to all the inputs necessary. And third, sir, I believe most important is marketing. Unless there is marketing, unless there are adequate marketing opportunities, I don't think farmers will be convinced about shifting to organic farming. So, sir, I'll try to promote marketing of these products by kind of giving wide marketing to them via social media platforms, or maybe encouraging cooperative marketing units so that they will be able to better find markets for them. And also, sir, I think, yes, sir, these are some of the steps that I would do in order to convince farmers.
You said about marketing, but for marketing, certification is very important.
Yes, sir.
Tell me about the present certification system available in India for organic farmers. For organic products.
Yes, sir. Sir, currently there are two modes of certification, as far as I can recall, that are present for organic farming in India. So one is held by Ministry of Agriculture, whereas the other is held by Ministry of Commerce, I guess. Sir, while I'm not exactly aware of the details, I'm sure that there are certain irregularities and confusions regarding the certification system that is present. And I think they have to be streamlined so that there is less confusion among farmers in order to utilize them the best.